PVC window adjustment. Let's adjust that corner. There's another one up here and that already lost its cover. So the center portion is missing, but the lower plastics are there. We will use a flathead screwdriver. Okay, and this plastic cover has to be removed. By the way, here is one adjustment. It's a hexagonal. You can use that. This one has an adjustment here. Adjustment here. You can push this roller inward or outward. Another roller, so that will make it squeeze better. This rubber will get in contact with that plastic more by rotating the inner hexagonal element there. Now here we don't have cylindrical anymore, but we have another thing. Close it. The plastic cover has to be removed. Just lift it up. So that's the plastic cover. So just slide it from the top down and lift it up to remove it. There is an adjustment here, a hexagonal, another one there. This is pulling out and pushing in the entire window, so this makes the seal tighter or looser, that one. Okay, and if you open it, there is another one up there, so that hexagonal and that flathead screwdriver. This is pushing the window this way. That is to the right or to the left. Okay, let's just do something. Let's test it first. So how it's closing now. It's in contact here. Okay, let's see, can I make that disappear to the left? No, it's still there. Left even more. It's still there. To the right. And now it's gone. It's pushing it away. That means that this rubber, the rubber is in contact too much, so let's make this one looser. To the left, it's making it tighter, I guess. And to the right. Yes, it is sending it towards me. And now it's not pushed away, but it's in contact once again. And now it's not in contact. Okay, so for the lower portion, use that screw to push it out or send it in, and then adjust that also. Okay, and you can put that on. These windows are full of adjustments. Adjustment for this one, loosen or tighten it. Now it's not really visible, but that I think it's also an adjustment from below.